This is Tom Gates from the Red Dragon Diaries. I made it to Taipei by way of a killer $100 round-trip ticket out of Busan. Taipei is the capital of Taiwan, and though it's home to 2.7 million inhabitants, it doesn't feel like an overwhelmingly large city. With access to the ocean and surrounded by mountains and national parks, Taipei has something for everybody. The city is a mix of the old and the new, and much to appreciate about the culture. That was my take when visiting anyway. Here are 14 things to do and see in Taipei, Taiwan. There are many night markets in Taipei filled to the gills with food and shopping vendors. Shilin Night Market is probably the most popular of them all. The food court, as you may, is the central attraction of this night market, and the vendors are conveniently grouped together. Do you know what stinky tofu smells like? You will if you make it to a night market like Shilin. If it's not your thing, there are many other options to choose from. Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall is a monument constructed in memory of the former president of the Republic of China by the same name. The memorial grounds are very open and expansive. In addition to the main memorial hall, there are concert and theater halls. A large statue of the former president is erected within the memorial hall. There are guards that stand by in the hall, and guard-changing ceremonies happen at regular intervals. At the Confucius Temple on Dalong Street, Chiang Kai-shek's inscribed words read, "Educate without discrimination." This popular destination is another example of the many Confucian temples in Taipei. The architecture and decor of the Confucius Temple were particularly impressive to me. This included the roofs of the temple structures, paintings, and inside the main hall. The surrounding grounds next to the Confucius Temple are also a great sightseeing experience. It can get crowded, so choose off hours if you can. Rauha Market is another night market that offers a wide variety of savory snacks, desserts, fresh fruit drinks, and international dishes. This is all in addition to the various shopping fronts for clothing, knickknacks, and things to remember your time in Taipei. Though not as commercially appealing as Shilin Market, I found the food choices to be more accessible to the average tourist. It's one street, and the traffic of people goes smoothly around in a circle. This is a great market to shop and eat at.